If I had to name the biggest difference between Bhutan and the rest of the world, I could do it in one word: civility. We are at Paro, Bhutan. This place is called Ama's Village Lodge. This is. It feels like home, isn't it?
It is a home.
It is a home,
It's
yeah.
a wonderful
And we've
place
been
with
here for
wonderful
2 days.
people.
We've been treated like not a guest, like family members. We've been given such good hospitality. I don't want to leave this place now, but
But yeah, we have to keep moving forward. We have Punakha
Punakha.
as a destination for tonight.
Yeah.
And we have to pick up our permits in Thimphu and catch up with our guide over there and head out. So it's going to be a pretty fun ride, a pretty slow ride, a very, very relaxed ride. We only have about 3 hours of riding to be done today. 3, maybe 4 hours of riding to be done today. And yeah, man, I think we are definitely going to miss this place, miss Paro.
The
And
trek
this
was
place.
amazing. The whole
Yeah.
place is just giving positive
Yeah.
vibes.
And especially the girl.
Yeah, the girl is back to this helmet. Sunil, you're out without a helmet today. What are you going to do?
You don't want to give her.
Bye. What you see on the right side is the Paro International Airport, the only airport that I have seen that's not heavily guarded. Having an airport without worrying about top-notch security. Wow, no wonder people here are so happy. 20 kilometers away from the capital is one of the most beautiful mountain pass, that is the Dochula Pass, located at an elevation of 10,000 feet. These memorial stupas, which are 108 in number, are called Druk Wangyal Chortins, which are dedicated to the 108 soldiers who died in battle. Good afternoon. We are at Dochula Pass. I don't know what the elevation of this place is, but it definitely feels very cold. And I'm surrounded by mountains. Anywhere I see is just, I can see only mountains as far as my eye can see. There's only mountain ranges, which looks amazing, the Himalayan ranges. And this place where I'm at, in this place, one of the idiot bikers from India stood on one of these stupas, and that became viral, and instantly they caught him and they threw him out of the country. Since then, they have made so many laws which is negatively affecting bikers, because you'll have to always go with the escort, which is like unnecessary. And before, the thing was Indians could ride the bike without a escort by themselves, but now that is not the scene anymore. Because of one stupid biker, the whole scene has changed. But I couldn't complain more, because the guide whom we got is a gentleman. Has been more than helpful for us, so I couldn't complain much. But it is good for the economy of the Bhutanese people, but they can't slap us with so many laws. And because of this incident, from January 1st, they are bringing up a visa or a permit charge for Indians, which is $105 per day. That is ridiculous. If they do that, the tourism is just going to go down, and I don't know whether people would turn up to this place, this magical land. I don't know whether people would turn up. So I hope they don't do that. It is definitely going to hit the economy. So I hope nobody, any biker nor Indian, no Indian does anything stupid like this. And I personally feel everybody should follow the land, the rules of the land. Just respect the land. Just respect the land. That's more than enough. The people here are so nice. They are accommodating and everything. You need to respect the land and the rules. Peace.
This right here is the Punakha Dzong in Punakha of Bhutan. And Dzong in Bhutanese means fort. And that really is one of the most beautiful forts that I've seen. It's magnificent, man. The paint, the color, and the weight, well, it's absolutely amazing. And look at where it is placed. Oh, what beauty all around.
Half a mile from the fort leads to the longest suspension bridge in Bhutan that offers a spectacular view of the river and the valley. At our homestay, we were offered the ara, a traditional drink made of fermented rice and millet. It tasted like medicine but did the job.
Cheers, bro. Cheers, cheers.
If we were meant to stay in one place, we'd have roots instead of feet. Bhutan was a revelation for all of us. We wanted to ride every square inch of this wonderland. With wind in our hair, fuel in our bikes, food in our stomach, with so much positivity radiating from everywhere, we felt like monks wandering the Himalayas. Good morning. We are at Bumthang Valley. We are all dressed up in traditional Bhutanese clothes. This is called the Bhutanese Go, and the ladies, what they wear, it's called the Kira. The plan is I'm going to explore, or we are going to explore the Bumthang Valley with these clothes, and I feel already like a Bhutanese. These clothes are so comfortable and amazing. Wow, man, this place is magical. This vibrant, magnificent structure is the Kurje Lakhang Monastery. Kurje means the body print of Guru Rinpoche, the founding father of Tibetan Buddhism.
So we are right now in Mebat. So means lake in even in Ladakh and here. This has a great story that a treasure hunter was trying to find treasure over here, and he was
The king challenged him.
Yeah, king challenged him that he wouldn't find the treasure or that he was not a righteous person. And to prove the king wrong, the treasure hunter said he would walk into the lake, submerge into the lake with burning a butter candle in his hand and walk out with treasure. And so he did that. He walked out with a box, a scroll, and a skull. And so the king was proved wrong, but the king, with his anger, he tried to attack the treasure hunter, and he hit the Buddha statues inside the box. And with that, the king was cursed that his family would not continue, and the treasure hunter was cursed because the treasure wasn't supposed to be found at that time. And it's a very interesting story, and because of this burning candle thing, they call this the burning lake.
Burning
so
lake.
Mebar
Flaming.
means a flaming lake, yeah. So the burning lake or the flaming lake is the same thing. So the local.
Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. Bhutan is called the land of happiness with good reason. Having spent 10 days here with an enriched cultural experience, our happiness index was at 100%.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना जग सुना सुना लागे जग सुना सुना लागे कोई रहे ना जब अपना जग सुना सुना लागे जग सुना सुना लागे तो ये दिल रोता है जब ये दिल रोता है कोई सिसक सिसक के हवाओं में सुना लगे छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना जग सुना सुना